If you're sending out job applications and only hearing crickets, or worse, auto rejections, there's a good chance your resume is getting filtered out by software before a human ever sees it. That software is called an Applicant Tracking System, or ATS, and it's used by almost every company to screen resumes. The good news? You don't need to become an ATS expert. You just need Apply. Apply helps your resume pass ATS filters and stand out to human recruiters. Here's how it works. Most resumes get rejected simply because an ATS can't read them. Tables, columns, or fancy formatting break the system. Apply fixes this instantly and makes sure your resume is 100% machine readable. ATS software scans your resume for exact keywords from the job description. Apply highlights what's missing and even rewrites your resume with the right keywords so your resume scores higher and passes ATS screening. Plus, Apply uses best practices from top recruiters and resume coaches. So once your resume beats the ATS, it also impresses the human recruiter. You don't have to spend hours editing every resume. Apply tailors your resume for every job in seconds. Try it now for free and start getting interviews that actually match your potential.